Hey guys, Glenn Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. How are you? Hope you're having a great day. I've got something really cool to share with you. There's going to be a software that's going to be launching in July that's going to blow your mind. It's called Mintbird, and it is a shopping cart, but it's not like any shopping cart you've ever seen. So what I want to do is I want to show you a quick demo of the actual program of the software, and then I want to give you a link and you can actually go see it in action by the creator. So it's very cool. They have a full webinar. And why do you want this? Why do I need a shopping cart? Well, if you're in affiliate marketing and you're doing any kind of marketing, at some point you're going to want to start selling products and having the right shopping cart. I have two shopping carts I use, and to be honest, they're a pain in the butt to use. They kind of work and they don't work, and you're kind of jimmy rigging them all over the place. And this looks like the solution. I know these guys, they're amazing, and it's going to be amazing. So that's one thing. You're going to want to use it, especially if you're following my selling PLR products program. You're going to really want to do that. But secondly, you want to be an affiliate for this. And why do you want to be an affiliate? Because they're going to actually train you how to blow this up and sell a ton of these. So you want to be part of the whole sort of launch. So definitely get on board. So watch the movie I'm going to show you, and then click on the link, put your email in, and then it's going to take you to the page where you're going to see the full-blown thing. But you're also going to be able to register as an affiliate for it, which is going to be super exciting because this is going to be at launch it'll probably be at a really great introductory price, but it'll be an evergreen product that you're going to be always be able to sell. So let's jump on it. So let me jump over to my screen here, and I will play the little movie here for you, and you can check it out, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, how cool is that? So, like I said, what you want to do is, I'm just blown away. I'm super blown away. It's gonna be so exciting, and I'm just excited to be promoting it, learning a ton from the creators. It's just amazing. So, what you're gonna do is go to the link below the video here, or if you're on the page that this video is on, click the link, enter your email. You're going to be taken to a full-blown sneak peek. It's going to talk about all the whole program, the affiliate program for it, and the software itself. So you really want to be part of this, and I look forward to bringing you on the team. All right, cheers, man. Make sure you hit subscribe if you're on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.